This is the gravel driveway we're working on today. You can see it has some grass and weeds and moss coming up through the original gravel. So we're going to go ahead and pull all of that out of here and refresh it with new gravel. You can see here I'm going in reverse with the scar fires down because the driveway did not need to be aggressively ripped with the scar fires down going forward, and you can get a lighter pass going in reverse. Here I'm dragging all the old material out to the edge of the driveway. That way I can scoop it all into one big pile and then load it into the dump trailer. I'm only removing the first ½ inch of gravel and other material off the top of this driveway just because I do want to utilize the gravel that's already there. This is the dirt that I need to dump. It's only about 2 yards, yard and a half, 2 yards. It's really muddy here at the quarry today though. Hopefully we don't get stuck in this. This is really soft. We got a bunch of rain over the last few days, so yeah, it's kind of a mess here.